Still doing things the hard way in Excel? It's time to level up. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 Excel functions every office worker should master in 2025. Whether you're tracking sales, managing projects, or analyzing reports, these powerful tools will save you time, reduce errors, and make your workflow smarter. Let's dive in and transform how you work with Excel. First up, the sum function. Simple, powerful, and essential. It's the fastest way to total up a list of numbers in Excel. Imagine you have sales data in column B, from B2 to B10. To add these values, first, click on an empty cell where you want the total. Type equals sum. And select the range. Close the formula. Or, if you want even faster, press Alt plus equals on your keyboard. Excel automatically selects the adjacent range. Just confirm it's correct, and hit Enter. That's it. You've instantly totaled your data, ideal for monthly budgets, invoices, or sales tracking. Up next is the average function, a must-know for summarizing data with clarity. Imagine you're working with customer feedback scores in column C, from cells C2 to C10. To calculate the average rating, simply type equals average. Select the range and close the formula. Then press Enter. In seconds, Excel gives you the mean value, perfect for understanding overall satisfaction, product performance, or survey results at a glance. Next up, the if function, one of Excel's most powerful tools for decision-making. Let's say you're analyzing sales data in column B. You want to quickly highlight which sales are strong and which need improvement. Type this formula. This formula checks if the value in cell B2 is greater than 500. If it is, Excel returns high. Otherwise, it returns low. It's simple logic, but incredibly powerful. So instead of scanning through rows manually, let Excel make the calls for you, with one smart formula. At number 4, let's talk about the modern data retrieving champion, XLOOKUP. This function replaces VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and even complex index match formulas. Say you have a list of employee names in column A and their sales in column B. Now, you want to find the sales for Ryan Wright. Just type this formula. XLOOKUP searches for the value Ryan Wright in column A and returns the corresponding value from column B. No need to worry about column number or left-to-right limitations like VLOOKUP. Press Enter and done. It also allows you to set a custom message. Last function, COUNTIF. This function counts cells based on a condition. Want to know how many employees have completed their training? Type this formula. This formula counts how many times the value in cell D2 appears in the range from D2 to D10. Great for HR, project management, or performance tracking. And there you have it, 5 essential Excel functions that can save hours of manual work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.